play with slime and putty with me while I tell you about some YouTubers I love, but some people dislike. Okay, first YouTuber. Some people think she's weird, but like, I actually don't know someone personally that doesn't like her, but I love her. Emma and Georgia. Oh, her slick backs are so peak. Her channel is so peak. She's just like so funny and she's so pretty. I just love her so much. And then Georgia, oh, she's such a baddie. She's so pretty. And then I love the rats. I kind of forgot their name. I know one is Dumpling, but I don't know what the other one is name. Okay, next YouTuber I don't like really crash out on that a bunch of people dislike is Gianna Joyce. I don't really see the problem with her. Like, if people have like a good reason, I don't know, but I don't really see the problem with her. She's not that special to me, but like, I don't like dislike her. I don't hate on her like how other people do. I don't know. I guess like it's rage baiting that she reposts a lot, but like, I don't know. Okay, next person that y'all are hating on is Kira, I guess. I guess that's a new one. I don't know, bro, at this point, but Kira's another person that I actually really like, and she's super nice. Well, on YouTube, because social media is fake. Next person, I don't get why you guys are disliking, is Natalie Ramsky, guys. Oh, we're not even going to talk about her. Speaking of that person, we're going to talk about Harper, because people, ever since like the Harper and that other person situation, they have been like disliking Harper. I don't know. I don't even know at this point. But yeah, like I don't really get that. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to my putty. Next person I don't get that you guys dislike is Pacey Nelson. Like Presley, I kind of get, but like I don't dislike her as much as you guys are putting out there. But Pacey, I honestly get it. Like I don't get it. By the way, this putty is unicorn. Yes. I love unicorns. Okay, but yeah. It's just, I don't know. It's just like, I don't even know why people dislike her, but like she's so pretty and she doesn't really like, I get like that she fights with her sisters, but that's just like sibling things. This putty is so hard. Okay guys, that's it for today. Peace.